So, Project Zomboid just came out with the multiplayer update 42.13. You might very well want to play it, but you might not know how. So I'm going to show you how. So right now I have Project Zomboid installed as it would be if you just bought the game and installed it. That means I am currently on build 41. First step is you're going to want to be not on build 41. What you're going to do for that is go to Properties by right-clicking on the game. Go to Properties. Then you are going to want to go to the Launch options here. This is the menu that will come up. You'll want to go to Betas. Beta Participation. You want to go to Unstable. This is build 42. Once you go ahead and click that, you will want to go ahead and close this window. And then let the game download and update. Once your game is fully updated and installed, which might take a little bit depending on your connection and settings, go ahead and launch Project Zomboid. It might give you a prompt saying how you want to launch the game. Just select default. If that does not work, use the alternative launch, which is supposed to be for if default fails. Once Zomboid has loaded up, before you want to attempt anything with multiplayer, this is a very important step. If you happen to have any mods enabled, you're going to want to disable them, which means you will want to go to Mods, and you will want to go ahead and click this button that says Disable All, and then click Accept. I already have all of mine disabled, but it'll reload the LUA, and that means you will now have all your mods cleared, which you will want to do before you try multiplayer, at least right now. It's buggy, they're still working on it. From there, if you have someone you want to play with, go to multiplayer and you'll be able to add a server, which the person you are playing with, that'll give you all that information. There are also public servers available right now. But if you want to host, go ahead and click Host. You will be prompted a server name where you can go ahead and make some settings. These are mine for the server I am currently running with a good friend of mine. I'll go ahead and click New Settings. Go ahead and just name them. I'm just going to name them Test. There are no mods, so you won't want to add any of those. And from here, this will let you choose any sandbox settings or anything like that that you want to work off of. If you don't have any saved, just go with one of the presets. If you do have anything saved, like for example, I have settings saved for when I was doing a 0 to hero run, which has like XP multipliers and whatnot applied. Go ahead and click those, apply preset, and it'll save all that for you. From there, you can select the settings you put in, and that'll let you start a new world. From there, you should be able to invite players over to your game, and whoever you want to play with, as long as you're both on the same version and neither of you are connected into debug mode, should allow you to play multiplayer just fine. And if you happen to want to switch back to build 41 for any reason, I'll show you how to do that too. So, if you happen to want to revert to build 41 for any reason, most commonly right now that will be because you are playing with mods in build 41, and they do not work in build 42 multiplayer, at least as of 42.13, which was the patch released on December 11th. But what you'll want to do is you'll go ahead and click Properties again. Then you'll go back to Betas and you want to select None. This will revert your game back to build 41. And from there, just follow the process from the first steps of this guide back the other direction. That will put you back on build 42, which is what I'm actually going to switch it to. because that's what I want to play on. I actually happen to like build 42. I think it is quite nice. But if you happen to have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Make sure to like, favorite, share, and subscribe if this guide was helpful to you. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.